put a Nappy Boy sticker on this car, call it a day. Just did a lap out in the FRS, just kind of killed some tires, had fun, see if the car still works. Just kind of doing some pre-season, mid-season, I don't know what you want to call it. We're like 8 events deep this year and it's not even March. But Hurt called us up, called Greg, said, yo, show up here. We got Agent out here at the amp house. I don't know, we're here, we're driving cars, we're doing something.
You watch like cars all day, you're like, that dude rips, that thing's straight. Put a pro car track, the madman like Koruworks behind the wheel. It's just, it never gets old. I can watch this shit all day. Richards. He's our prospect driver of the year. He's a rookie of the year as well for 2023.
Okay.
Absolute monster. Projected to win the whole season. Got no graphics on it yet. This is just ride out, ready to go. What do you want to see in your ride along?
See what it's like to do the whole track at once.
Sick. All right.
Yeah.
Pull high on the wall, backies when you can throw them, and just pin them in the seat.
All right, let's get it. Oh my God, this seat is.
It's tight. It's perfect. Is what you said.
You ready? I'm a little bit scared. I'm not gonna lie.
No, just in good hands.
Okay. You ever been on the Top Thrill Dragster at like Cedar Point?
No, I haven't.
It's like a roller coaster. Okay. You ever done like any roller coasters?
No, I hate roller coasters.
I'm ready.
If I was breathing or not. That was wild. You had it though. I couldn't get my visor down, but I got it down. That was good. Holy shit.
Dude, that was wild, bro.
You gotta get it, bro.
We got plenty of tires. We got plenty of tires.
Oh, are there?
Yeah. We get 2 laps per pair.
Is that a carbon tire?
700 horsepower naturally aspirated.
Give me a second.
No nitrous. Raw power. 14.1 in compression, so high compression. I just like that.
I'll hop in it, man. You know, I'll hop in it, man.
I'm a rich with benefits, break your heart, real $100 bills and ligaments. Put 2 different girls in the same predicament. Soon as I pull it out, they started licking it. Keeping the way I move, I'm moving swiftly. Started with the Cartiers and Tiffany. It sounded like a trap. I knew I wasn't winning. race to if that's a VA. Southside got those that trying to see straight.
Hey guys.
What up, Dow?
What's up?
You almost killed
That one was not planned, was it?
That one was not.
I thought you were like, I'm gonna get that shot. What?
Oh shit.
Blew it on at least one lap and then like really held it together for how totally different.
There was no tire.
Yeah, no. He's out of tire. I never had much to begin with.
Shit. Well, this is a pro drifter. Over 700 horsepower. Pro drift car.
It's like Rick Bobby.
And then try and ride like this. And then if you want to hold on to something, hold on to the straps.
Gotcha.
Yeah, but more or less just have fun, dude. You ain't gone backy yet either, have you?
Nah.
Do a little backy for him just so he sees what it's like. So that's where he's gonna try and lock it all the way out for you. The car's gonna almost stall.
Okay.
He's gonna get back out throttle.
I bet.
It's gonna feel sick.
Say less.
Feel sick.
Say less. Let's do
Enjoy
it.
it, brother.
You ready?
Yeah, let's do it. Hell yeah. Hey, chat. I'm excited. Oh, fuck. Yo, I lost my phone in there. Chat. Bro, this nigga, he just picks where he wants to go. He's like, oh, over there? Oh, I bet. He just lands there. Man. Yo, that's unreal. You made that shit look easy, man. Holy. Yo, no chat, like, he's like, nah, when the car showed up, I'm like, nah, they're about to die. I'm like, I was really praying for them. I was in the car praying for them, and they're still alive. This is insane. This is insane.
So you're at what, 2 days?
Yeah.
You're at 2 days, that's 4 years.
That's crazy,
That's
bro.
the benchmark right
That's
there.
it.
Fuck. Yo, the way you started from all the way over here, you slid all the way. First of all, that's a W guy. He was so calm, cool, collected. They had a fucking car in front of us. I'm thinking like, man, he about to lose his life. No cap. That handbrake shit when he was hitting it. Oh my God, let me tell you, man.
Eating that shit.
Oh yeah.
It was eating.
It's wild. That car's wild.
That shit almost made me nuts. I almost
get it. I get sideshows. I get it now. Sideshows are great. You turned your back. I trust him. You almost decked your No, I saw him. I trust him. I gave him a high five, so I meant go. You understood the assignment. I can turn my back on him. He's fine. And if I don't, I get paid. This is great track. We love you. I'm gonna need you to pay up for him hitting me.
I didn't hit you.
His back.
That's just because you're old.
Doctor says I need a colonoscopy. It's a backiotomy, but
Hit one.
thinking about the boys. Take care of the boys.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's like the coolest sticker now, though. For some reason, like if you have one of these, you're just like, it's the only way you get it is for him to like shoot your car, be part of it.
I mean, hot shit.
It's just cool, dude. So like you go around like pits or car shows, stuff like that. It's kind of like a badge of honor to have one of those. It's so simple. Might just have that dick suck real quick. Might have that dick suck real quick, agents. Oh, agents. Like, please.
I like it, it's hard, but I'm fucking with this.
I wish I could have heard it in person. I heard it over that phone. The bitch was ringing my ears. Oh, so you were watching online? I was watching all fucking morning.
Like 5 minutes.
And you were like, they're over there right now? So
I was watching him eating Chipotle. That's how I know he eat. That's how I know I was watching it.
So you guys watch this dude eat Chipotle, and that's entertainment to y'all? Like, I'm still trying to grasp this. I'm an old guy.
It's not
that.
We need watching the whole AMP.
It's just hearing the whole. It just see the whole AMP like.
It's a thing. It's starstruck, and now you're in the middle of it.
And we don't say nothing about 5 minutes down the road.
Get on Agent Street. He got a Z in the drift school. They down the street. Get
yes,
up.
I literally told him. All I had to do was
all he had to say was that.
So are you into cars or are you into agent?
Both.
Oh, sick.
We come here on like Fridays and shit.
Fuck yeah.
So
you got a car yourself? You got a car?
Not like nice like this.
Enjoy yourselves.
Hell yeah. Appreciate you guys.
Look at this nigga got pants.
I know he right there.
All he's doing. That's what I'm saying.
Together.
You gotta get one more. Look at that. What is
it's a Scion.
Yes,
I have a Scion.
Oh, sick.
I had a Scion. So.
Sick.
It's a 2013.
FRS?
TC.
Oh, sick.
Nice.
Yeah,
Sick.
shit's clean though, but she ain't
ain't
got
pipe.
nothing.
She ain't pipe right there.
It takes time. It's patience. It's a canvas.
Patience and money.
You can't paint a canvas in 2 hours. You know, it takes time. I get to ride in the backseat of a drift car. I've never rode in the backseat of a drift car before. He's gonna make that dream come true today.
And there were like nobody in the back seat.
You got him back. Trump's America, baby.
Yeah, dude. I'm like,
I told my mama I'm bringing that bag. I got it, I'm back in the lab. I'm on. I get high till I can't even think. Sorry, mama, yeah, I know that I stink. It was me and bro, buck on the plate. Best believe we have 50